Okay, this day I wanna show you how to make a fish using Microsoft Paint. Okay, let's start. Before we start, please subscribe to support our tutorial of Microsoft Paint. Okay, let's click Microsoft Paint over here. Okay, then make sure that 100% over here. Okay, 100%. Let's okay, make it 100%. And then the first, I want to make a fish using the shape. Okay, the first we make the body of the fish using this. Okay, we make it the body, and then after we click using heart shape, we just rotate in right like this, and we make it little like this. Okay, and then the next one, we make the head of the fish using this. This is curve. We make it up here. We click and drag, and we using shift in our keyboard and drag one and then two. Okay. So sorry. I will color first. I will color my fish, this yellow fish. Whoa, so light. I will make it dark, a little bit dark. Okay, like this. And then I make the head of the fish. This is, and I am at a little bit this. Okay, and I have the vision, and I want to make the eyes using oval, and we shift button like this, and we move up there, and we make it the eye. This. Okay, we can move using arrow in your keyboard like that, and we color. Boom. Like this, we color it. I think okay, enough, and then we make it this straight to high. 1, 2. Okay, got it. And over here. Okay. After that, and over here. 1, 2, and then over here. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Again. So sorry. We back. Okay, we back again. 1, 2, and then over here, the last 1, 2. Okay, we got this vision, and we color. Maybe we color it a little bit like this. Okay, there are color over there. Color. And then in the bottom we make it using curve. I will zoom out first, make it in here. Uh-oh, I will make it like this, 1 and then 2. Okay, over here, try yeah, 1, 2. Okay, we zoom again and make this 1, 2, and then we start over here, 1, 2. There, click, 1, 2, and this 1, 2, and the last over here, 1, 2. Okay, I will color with little like this. Color it. Okay. We have the vision of fish. I will make it strip and I will edit color and a little bit dark over here to combine this. Okay, it's a little bit alive, and I will click this thing and I will edit color a little bit dark, and then we choose this, we color, so sorry, this one. Okay, and then we make this skin using the heart up here. And we make like this. I will zoom. It's too big. Okay, and we click select and we cover this heart and rotate to right. Okay, and we change, this is appear the white color, and we change to transparent selection. Okay, after that we'll make it the color of this, or maybe this is better. Okay, this is better. We click this and we, okay, this is better, or black like this. Okay, we'll cover this and we click copy and we hit paste over here, and then we just drag, we click paste again, we click this again until we finish. Okay, the last is we make it a little bit small over here. Okay, done, and we can delete this. We cover and we hit delete button in our keyboard. Okay, and then the next we want to color. I will color with white first. This is the eyes, a little bit dark maybe, the eyes with a little like this. Okay, and then this skin I will make it dark yellow like this. Okay, oh, more dark. Okay, then we have the fish over here, and we move to the center. We can copy this fish, copy and paste. Here I will make it a little bit small up here. And then I will paste again, make it little small, and I will and I will paste again to make it small fish. Okay, we have a fish over here, and we make it the water using this curve. We click, and then we drag, and we click 1 and we 2. We just cover this and we fill. That is the fish. Thank you for watching. Please support us with subscribe, like, share or comment. I do appreciate with it. Thank you so much. See you to the next tutorial. Bye bye.